Did you know that while the US is only 5% of the world's population, we use 30% of the world's resources and produce 30% of the world's waste? While it might be second nature for some older generations to fix a toaster before getting a new one, our society currently treats physical items as disposable. Additionally, more and more goods have built-in obsolescence, a relatively new phenomenon for our culture. Do you currently have anything in your house that could be repaired instead of replaced? In this video, I'm going to share 3 different household items that were repaired rather than purchasing new. This is a vacuum of mine that is past its warranty, and a little piece broke off, and as you can see, it doesn't click in anymore, which makes it almost impossible to vacuum. So my brother is quite the handyman and asked for a screw, a hair tie, and super glue. He super glued the hair tie to the screw, and we stuck that into the vacuum and wrapped the hair tie around, and voila, we have a fixed vacuum. I have been informed that I wrapped my cords too tight, and as a result, my curling iron short-circuited. With some wire cutters, copper wire, and electrical tape, my brother was able to rewire it, and it's good as new now. If you don't have electrical experience, please consult someone who does so you don't hurt yourself. Lastly, we have this couch repair. I found this set of couches on Facebook Marketplace for $300 due to this rip. So with some fabric we found that was similar in color, we brought the cushion covers to our local dry cleaners who sewed the patch on, and I'd say it's looking almost as good as new. If you can't repair it and you need to replace it, first check out San Jose State's own recyclestuff.org to figure out where to properly dispose of your item. Secondly, check out places like Facebook Marketplace or Urban Ore, which is in Berkeley, which has everything from toilets to the glove at the San Francisco Giants Stadium.